Alright, I just pulled a bag out of my trash can, and the bottom is pretty dirty. And instead of just cleaning it like I normally do with a wash rag and all that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it with Effort-In. So let me get me some warm water going here, and then we'll drop some tablets in and put some warm water in there and let it clean itself. See how that works. Alright, I got my tablets in there. I'm just going to use 2 because I'm not going to have very much. My water is heated up, so let's put some water in there, and then just enough to cover it up, cover up the bottom, and then more water than I normally would for dentures. So put 2 tablets in, but anyway, put a little water in there, warm water, and let it bubble and boil and see what it does here a little bit. Definitely boiling and bubbling. Alright, we'll check back in a little while and see what it did. Alright, it's been about, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours. All the blue is just about gone. So let's just take a look and see if it did any good. Rinse it out a little bit. Alright, look at there. Nothing on the bottom. No stains. No, it's like it's brand new on the bottom. No scrubbing. A couple of tabs, throw it in there. You got the bottom of those trash cans as good as they can ever be gotten without touching a dirty rag. Alright, just a suggestion to make life a little bit easier. That's it for now.